In today's video, I want to take a couple minutes and give you 7 reasons why you should consider to come to one of our Roofing Insights business classes. We do one class almost every single month. Next one is just 10 days away, but you can check our schedule. We do them on a regular basis now. They're taking place in Orlando and Minneapolis. Reason number 1 is very simple. Our class is not sponsored. I have a lot of offers from vendors, from suppliers and brands who's asking me to provide food, to pretty much come in and teach you guys. And I've been in a lot of classes, a lot of conferences, and a lot of lunch and learns where you come in and you're hoping to learn a network, but all you ended up getting is a sales pitch after sales pitch after sales pitch. Our class is very different. I'm a teacher, you're the student, we do have keynotes, we do have people I bring in, I give you a lot of advice, we network, but it's a curriculum. I want to make your business better, I want you to take it to the next level, I want to build your base, and I don't want to sell you anything. You're not going to have one upsell in the 2 days you're going to spend with me. It's 100% learning, I'm opening my books, I don't waste any time, I go after hours, before hours if needed, I'm all yours for 2 days, I'm pretty much blocked out and I don't let anybody in. There's no marketers allowed. If I put anybody's number on the board, there's no kickbacks. So I don't recommend people because I'm gonna get a couple bucks in return. And if I do, I'm gonna tell you, hey, if you do business with this person, I'm invested. I say it how it is, I play by the rules, and our class is not sponsored and never will be. That's why we have to charge you a couple $100 to attend to cover our cost. And I promise you, it's not about money, it's about you being isolating and us being able to teach you what really matters in this business. Reason number 2, guys, our class is not a theory. You actually get to see the real business. You're not going to be only talking to me. I'm going to bring my sales manager, production manager. You're actually going to go and meet our team, going to see our business. There's no question you cannot ask. You're going to be literally watching the office that does $5 million a year and doesn't rely on storms. Our phone rings. You'll see scripts. You'll see documents. So like I said, it's very practical class, it's hands-on, it's open books class, if you will. There's nothing you can ask and nothing we're not gonna answer. Reason number 3 is our forms and our documentation. We put together all our documents. It's over 50 forms, and not only us, but what we already provided for our clients. I've been doing some consulting work over the years. So when you come to us, you can grab, it's literally up to grab your contract, anything marketing material, all of that is available to you. So if we already designed it and you're brand new and you don't have a single form, you can walk away with a whole bunch of stuff. You can use everything or just parts of it. You can check it against what you have. Maybe we have a better form of change order or better contract, stuff like that. Language, you're gonna come, you're gonna see it, and you can actually take it home with you. Like for example, for my contract with my client, I paid like $1,500 to my attorney couple years ago to create it. We also created one for Florida. I mean, I can ask my lawyer to create one for you, but my contract alone costs more money than I'm asking you to come for our class. Reason number 4, it's our Roofing Insights exclusive leads. With our content, we actually engage with a lot of homeowners. When I go and talk about bad products, good products, I always ask people to contact us if they are looking for the contractor. And people who come to my class, they're so amazing. I love my audience, I love students, I love people like you who takes extra step and willing to learn and improve yourself. So once you come to our class, you become our family. We do have a private group. It's only for people who've attended our class in the past. So when the Roofing Insights get a lead, sometimes on the website, and right now it's like 10-15 leads a month steady. So people come to us, ask for a recommendation. The first place we go with that lead is our Roofing Insights business page. It's a Facebook closed group, and if we cannot find a match there, then we're gonna take it to our Roofing Insights private Facebook group. That group is much bigger. It's people who follow us. You can join that group as well. It's absolutely free. So if you're a good contractor, you want our leads, we don't charge for our leads, by the way. So you come to the class, the leads are yours. Like for example, if you're in Boston and we like you and we have leads from Boston, you might be the only one getting our Roofing Insights leads. But we have to meet you first. We have to know what you're all about. what kind of company you run, what kind of ethics you have, what's your goals, how much business you can handle, and if we're confident giving you leads, we will do that. Reason number 5 is the people. Our class is designed for startup companies. I've been in a lot of conferences where big players goes on the stage and where people in the room are afraid to ask questions. There is some bullying happening in the industry as well, where big guys kind of trashing small guys. There is also some wars going on between commercial contractors, residential contractors, somebody who's doing only big I see really bad trends right now where somebody being residential retail contractor and start doing commercial jobs, and all of a sudden he's trashing everybody who's like, oh, you're just a small guy, you're just doing small jobs, like the real money is here. Well, I'm glad that big companies are making there, but I firmly believe that residential retail roofing business can provide, can build the dream life. I'm living a dream life. Nobody teach me this. That's why I'm teaching other people. The life is amazing. You can do $3, $4, $5 million in business and absolutely afford anything you need and wanna afford. Like my kids going to private school. Like I have a lifestyle I could not ask for more, and I teach people how to get there. So I might take you from $500,000 a year to $5 million a year. If you want to become big player, you can. But our class for small companies, and I'm yet to meet somebody negative. People who come to our classes, they're hardest working guys. It's always absolutely amazing atmosphere. We become friends, and that alone worth joining our network, our group. Reason number 6, there is a lot of failure in this business, and like I mentioned in number 5, you will meet a lot of really awesome people. You don't know where you're going to be 2 years ago. Like 6 years ago, I was living in Atlanta. My mother got cancer. I have to relocate to Minneapolis. I start brand new from scratch. But I also see a lot of people who network on Facebook and just like in the classes and the groups. You're gonna make a lot of friends in our business. I guarantee you, when you come to our class, you're gonna meet people just like you. You might get a job offer. I've seen people who want to start up business, but they ended up getting positioned with an established company instead. You're gonna come meet us. Maybe you decide that it's too hard and the business is not for you and you would rather work for somebody. Well, maybe I'll help you to find a better employment. Sometimes you might make more money managing, running somebody else's department versus working for yourself. But again, that amazing network and making those connections, they are for life. You're gonna be part of this group. I already have seen people connecting and travel to each other and doing amazing things together. So that's an absolutely must reason to attend, because if you don't grow your network and staying in your own circle, I don't think in our day and time you can really scale your business for years to come. And the reason number 7 is actually the reason why we already have a couple cancellations. Some people have seen that we invited Best Damn Roofer, and I literally have people texting me saying, Dmitry, we're not coming. Best Damn Roofer will take place at this class, maybe some future classes. We always will have some kind of keynote or guest, maybe entertainer, because we're all about fun. We do go to the gym together. Sometimes we hit sauna, we work out, we go for drinks after the class. But during the class, it's only me and my team, maybe one speaker. After the class, we might have entertainers. So Best Damn Roofer does come to us in September 10, 12. You can hang out with him, at the bar.
And I'm drinking beer for free. Big T.
Later on, I don't think I'll be joining, but I want to entertain you guys. That's the reason Best Damn Roofer is here.
We're going to be teaching you how to make money on the side, just by approaching. It's called knocking door to door.
He's not going to be teaching you, thanks God. He will be learning himself. We're going to do some fun stuff together. Some people say that I don't have a sense of humor. I probably agree with them. My sense of humor is not as high as Best Damn Roofer's sense of humor. I also don't curse as much, so if it's your style and you want to, maybe you're his fan, you can come and hang out with him. If you don't like him, you don't have to. But I highly recommend you guys joining us. We're gonna have a lot of fun together. We work hard, we play hard. That's about it. Those are my 7 reasons to attend the class. I hope to see you in September. If not, maybe in October, November. We will be doing next couple months class in Orlando. It's almost arranged. We're just polishing final stages. Don't work too hard, guys, out there. It's a really hard business, but it's also a fun business to be in. See you guys later.